Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Boo. You click on settings, then you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Boo and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.